traffic today. Over this hill, over this bridge, is where we're going. That is Lake Busbee. Oh, truck, you're gonna get in my way. Oh, you're in my way, truck. I don't think anyone's going to be doing any boating, or I hope not, in Lake Busbee. Here it is, Lake Busbee. Now, I have been here before to update everybody on the draining of the lake. And you might say, hey, look at all that water. Well, honestly, if we look over here, see where the water level has dropped significantly based on the staining of the stone. I want to say last time I was here, I probably pointed that out. But you have to remember, we just had some severe rain events in this area. So a lot of this residual water that's sitting around may be just due to the high water table after that rain. In case you don't know, here's the quick elevator pitch of Lake Busbee's story. This was a wetland many, many decades ago. Just imagine tons of trees, tons of animals, moist ground, nature doing its thing. And then over here, over there, a power plant was constructed, a coal-fired power plant. And of course, when you create all that energy and heat based off of coal, you need to cool it down somehow. So what's the solution? We build a lake. So they took this wetland area and they dug it deeper, built a berm all the way around it, and pumped water from the Waccamaw River, which is on the other side of those trees, into this to create a volume to cool the power plant off. Now, the power plant is no more. They actually demoed it. There's some spectacular footage online of the smokestacks coming down. I even did a video about it. Anyway, the power plant's gone. There's no need to use this volume of water to cool off the power plant. So they decided, hey, instead of pumping water into this man-made lake continuously, let's just stop pumping it, let it drain. It can be a wetland all over again. So that's what's happening right now. The water level used to be up to about right there. But as you can see now, it's way down there. It's dropped a few feet. And once this current volume of water dissipates, I imagine this wetland will return to its natural state. We'll probably see some cypress grown in here. Different wildlife and vegetation will be returning since it's no longer just a surface of water. We'll see some growth coming up from the bottom. So give it a few decades, this will look completely different. I may have already pointed this out, but where I'm at is adjacent to a pretty awesome dog park by downtown Conway. Let me show you guys that park. For those of you who don't know where I am, this is Highway 501 right here. City of Conway is right over that hill, and the dog park I was talking about is right here. At the moment, there is a sign over there that says it's closed for maintenance. But if I swing around here, you can see they've got some equipment for dog runs, agility, training, and whatnot. Let's take a walk around here. Yeah, there we go. Closed for maintenance. We apologize for any inconvenience. Small dogs, under 25 pounds. I was wondering that. What's considered small? So if you've got your little pup, you go on this side. But if you got a large doggy, take that one over here. So this is the large dog side. Of course, it's bigger space, makes sense. I appreciate how they have this little decompression chamber, if you will. So you can come in, get settled, unlatch your chain and whatnot, and then let your dog go free. Here's your rules if you're wondering. Thank you for joining me. If you like this, go ahead and give it a like, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.